Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Finance in Excel. To begin, ensure you have an active Microsoft 365 subscription, as this feature is typically included. Navigate to the Data tab in your Excel ribbon. Here, you will find a section dedicated to data types. Look for and select the Stocks option. This initial setup is crucial for accessing real-time financial information directly within your spreadsheets, making your financial analysis much more dynamic and efficient. Once you have enabled the stocks data type, the next step is to input your desired stock ticker symbols. Simply type a ticker, such as Google for Alphabet or MSFT for Microsoft, into any cell. Then, select that cell and click the Stocks button again. Excel will recognize the ticker and convert the text into a rich data type, indicated by a small icon next to the symbol. This transformation allows Excel to link to a vast database of financial information. With your stock ticker now a rich data type, you can easily extract specific financial information. Click the small icon that appears next to your ticker symbol. This action will open a data card, presenting a comprehensive list of available attributes. From this card, you can select various data points such as price, volume, market capitalization, or even the 52-week high. Excel will then automatically populate these chosen metrics into adjacent cells, giving you instant access to key financial figures. Beyond individual stock data, you can leverage this feature to build dynamic portfolios. Create a column with several stock tickers, convert them to the stocks data type, and then extract various metrics for each. You can then use standard Excel formulas to compare their performance, track daily changes, or analyze long-term trends. The data automatically refreshes, ensuring your financial insights are always up to date, making it an incredibly powerful tool for investors and analysts alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.